best way to describe racing to someone that's never experienced it before is 100% non-stop adrenaline. You are on the brink and edge of control the entire time. It was kind of born into me. A lot of people don't know quite our family background, but my dad was the crew chief for Walker Evans, who was an icon, a legend of off-road. Our family time was at off-road races because that's what my dad did for a living. That's kind of like where off-road was instilled to me as a kid. For 2021, we're doing 32 races, and that's a spread between short course, desert, rock racing, UTV racing. We go pretty hard in our razors. Not only are we going hard on the trails, we go through the mud, we go through the rain. It doesn't matter the conditions, we're there. And we need our products, our parts, our audio to withstand what we're putting them through. And Rockford does not miss a beat. I literally pressure wash my razor for hours after we thrash it. And who would think that you could pressure wash your speakers on your razor? It's purpose built for what we're doing. It endures anything we can throw at it. You can't beat it. It's the missing link in what makes UTVs even that much more fun and enjoyable. That's what sets the vibe. That's what we do this for. Going out to a location, hanging out with your buddies, setting the vibe with some music. I couldn't imagine it any other way. That's what life's all about to me. When I think of Rockford Fosgate, I think of a brand that represents what we do. They're there for the fun. They're there for the competition. They're there for the everyday. And it's an experience and a lifestyle brand that I couldn't imagine myself not being aligned with. My name's RJ Anderson, and my purpose is action-packed adrenaline.